For the past few months, these type of motion graphics are going viral. Do you want to know how you can create them by yourself?
Yes!
In this video, we are going to create this 3 motion graphics using only Canva. So let's begin. First, open new project. For this example, I am going to use Instagram format.
Let's start with simple animation.
First, let's change the background to black.
Then go to Elements and search for Burn, or you can search for elements like Fire. Here, click on this 3 dots and filter Animated. By doing this, you will only see animated images. I will select this for my animation. Now adjust. I will duplicate the layer. Here I have some quotes which I will be using in the video. Press T to write text. I will just copy it here. I will write name for this quotes as discipline and motivation. I will highlight one of the letters so that it looks professional. You can duplicate the layer. To do that, click on this icon. Then click Duplicate. Now let me resize. Again, repeat the same process so that you get disappearing animation. For the last one, set transparency to 0. Nice. Moving on to second video. To make this animation, I will again choose Instagram format. Choose background black. Now, here is a pro tip. Search for grid line or grid line technology. Go to Photos and select grid line image. What this will do is make your animation look professional. Adjust according to your design. If you have already designed it like I did, then you have to bring it forward by going into Layers and Show Layers. Now back to our video. Search for meditation. From here you will find different item which you can use in your video. I have used this in my example, as I have already told you how you can get animated images. You can select from variety that is available in Canva itself. And since it's animated, you don't have to worry at all. I will search for another element which is bouncing ball. Among list of option, I will select this one, and this one as well. It's time to input some motivational quotes. I will go to my quote document and copy and paste it from here. Similarly, I will do this for all my images. One thing to keep in mind is that make one word with contrasting color, so that it stands out. Now for third animation. For this animation, we will again use Instagram format. Again, change background color to black. This search for stick person. Filter animated. Among many options, I will select this. Select similar animations. Now let's input motivational quotes. Copy and paste from Google Documents. Do this for remaining images. Now click on Animate and click on this B icon for manual animation. I have created detailed video on this topic. Make sure you check that too. Finally, add transition. Among all the transition, I found flow to match this type of video. Let me know, how was the video?